Traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. In today's vid, we are going to talk about aggressive trading versus more conservative trading and what I mean by this. So we've been talking about this in the VIP Discord, and lots of people have been talking about aggressive trading in terms of money management and risk. And that's not really what I'm talking about. But like people said, if you risk 10% per trade, or somebody risks 1% per trade, then obviously 1% is more conservative and 10% is more aggressive. So yes, that is an example of, conservative versus aggressive trading. But that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about entries. All right. And if we look at euro pound, guys, all right, this will be a good example to show you. So I'm going to go back in time. Yeah. Aggressive trading to me is all about your entries. Okay. So let's say you're looking at euro pound now. I picked this example because we were looking at this example in the VIP Discord, and I said, that's an aggressive trade. And people were like, what do you mean? So if we look at euro pound, yeah, we are starting to see higher lows. All right. So this would lead us to believe we are, almost in an uptrend, but we haven't broken the highs. Okay. So for me, we are not in an uptrend. All right. And as you know, guys, I would say I'm a more conservative trader. I need to know that this is in an uptrend. And right now, all the clues are there to tell me this level could break. Yeah, all the clues are there. Yeah, we've got higher lows. We've got a bullish candle here, but it hasn't broken yet. All right. So an aggressive trader would look at all of these clues, yeah, that I've just explained, and potentially start buying the market now. Yeah, I know we don't trade the day chart, but I'm just going to look at it in terms of the day chart. Yeah, we put our stop here and we look to take price up to here. That is an aggressive trade because we have not had confirmation of the uptrend. Okay. And yeah, this actually works out for the aggressive trader. All right. So that's an aggressive trade. Now I'm going to show you the conservative trade. All right. If we just go forward one day, now I'm interested. Yeah. I have now seen this candle break this high and therefore all of these highs. So now we have higher highs, and we knew already that we had higher lows. All right. But now this candle is confirmation that we are in an uptrend. Okay. So I would now buy this, yeah, or look to buy it. Yeah. Again, potentially look to a retrace here and then look to buy it back up to here. Okay. And as it happens, yeah, both ideas pan out. Yeah, they come up, it retraces, and this is where we are now. All right. So the aggressive trader, by being an aggressive trader, you get in at an earlier price. Yeah, the aggressive trader got in here. Okay, the conservative trader, let's say, got in here. So the aggressive trader will get in at an earlier price, but the probability of the trade working are less. Whereas the conservative trader has waited for this confirmation, yeah, with this candle here, and therefore the market isn't an uptrend. But obviously they're getting in at a worse price, but the probability of success is higher. All right, so that's what I mean by, we'll look at other examples, but that's what I mean by aggressive versus conservative. An aggressive trader will reduce the probability of their trade, but get in at a better price. and the conservative trader will wait for confirmation of trend or the structure, but will generally get in at a worse price. Okay, so I'm not saying one is better than the other, but I'm a more conservative trader. I want to see confirmation before I get into a trade. So this is one example. Okay, this is euro pound. It worked out for the aggressive trader and it worked out for the conservative trader. Let's look at another example now. Swiss franc, Japanese yen. Okay, so like with a lot of the yen pairs, we are seeing a descending triangle. Okay, and a descending triangle generally means, you know, the price will eventually break these lows. Yeah, that's the idea. It descends. Okay, but I'm not willing to take this. Yeah, the conservative trader is not willing to take this trade until this happens. Okay, when I see this, I can start selling, put my stop above here. Yeah, that's the conservative trader. The aggressive trader says I can trade from the top of this trend line and take price lower. Okay, all right. And this is an example where it doesn't work out for the aggressive trader. So if we drop down to the H4, yeah, you can see if we was on the H4 and we were seeing this and we saw this nice bearish reaction at this level, we'd be thinking, right, we can take price down to the bottom of this triangle. Okay, put our stop above here. Yeah, and on this occasion, yeah, the aggressive trade hasn't worked out. Yeah, this come back up and took out our stop loss here. Okay, so that's the price you pay. You're getting at an earlier price, but the probability is less. Okay, I am still waiting for a H4 break of these lows here, this grey zone. Other examples of aggressive versus conservative trading is this. So it's nothing to do with risk or money management for me. It's about your entries. What was the other example I was looking at? Yeah, here, gold actually, guys. If we look at gold. So this is aggressive versus conservative, all right? So this is the H1 chart. And this was a trade idea from us the other day. And we were looking to, you know, buy this pair because the day chart told us to, yeah? But this is the H1. Now, let's go back in time. All right. Again, this is an example of the aggressive versus conservative. And in this example, sometimes I will be more aggressive because we're with trend. All right. So as you can see on the H1 chart, yeah, price broke this level of resistance and come back here. And, you know, and we know this is a good area of support. We have not really had a bullish reaction at this level. Okay, we haven't. All right. If I take that away now, you can see there's no bullish reaction here. The aggressive trader would say, I can start buying this here. Yeah. But you need to think, you realistically need to put your stop loss or hedge down here. Okay. That's the aggressive trader. All right. Now, let's play it on one candle. The conservative trader would think, I need confirmation. I need a candle that tells me buyers are in control. And again, we get it. Yeah. And they said, this is what I entered. I entered here, put my stop below here, and I was looking to take price up. So the conservative trader has waited for this candle to fall. Again, the aggressive trader gets in at the better price, whereas the conservative trader gets in at a worse price, but has waited for confirmation. The argument is they have increased the probability. Okay. As it pans out, guys, with this trade, both the aggressive trader and the conservative trader end up, potentially getting their stops taken out. Okay. And we'll go back to real time. So this is where we are, guys. And again, if we look at gold as an example here as well, this will be the last example, guys. If we look at the H4, I've literally just got out of a hedge here. Yeah, so if we look at gold, yeah, and we look at the H4 chart, we are still in an uptrend. This last low here has not broken because all of these wicks so far have closed back into this low. Okay. All right. And we're bouncing off the moving average 20. All right. This is the H4. If we go back to the H1 now, we know that therefore this price here could be a good level. So what does the aggressive trader do? I've been aggressive here, actually. Yeah, I've been aggressive. The aggressive trader sees that price has closed back into this last low, yeah, and starts buying here, yeah, with a view to taking price back up to these highs. Okay, so the aggressive trader is already in this trade on the H1, yeah, because of that H4 area. All right. The conservative trader is waiting for this. Yeah. You can see this H1 level through here. Yeah. This is the last H1 high. And if price breaks down, yeah, we've got these last hourly highs. The conservative trader is looking for this. It's looking for a break. Yeah. So if we get a big bullish green candle that breaks through these last highs, then the conservative trader is buying this. Remember, the aggressive trader is buying down here. Okay. But again, the idea is that the conservative trader has increased their probability because we've had a structure break. And let's be honest, there's no bigger confluence than a structure break. Yeah, that's probably the #1 reason to enter a trade. Yeah, you're either with trend and we get a structure break, or we get a structure break and trend has changed. There's no bigger confluence than that. Yeah, that's the idea of the conservative trader. But the conservative trader is getting in at a worse price. The aggressive trader has gotten in at this price. Okay. But both of their trade ideas, yeah, is to buy gold. Their idea is the same, but the execution is different. Okay. And that's what I mean, guys, between an aggressive trader and a conservative trader. I would say I'm more conservative, but I will be aggressive with trades now and again. I've been aggressive here. I got out of my hedge at this level. So we'll see, guys. We'll see if the aggressive tactic works, or we should have waited for a break of this structure. Yeah, nobody knows. Both methods are good. Yeah, and I'm a mixture, guys. The majority of the time I am conservative, but I will enter more aggressively now and again as well. So, it's down to you and your personal preference, guys. But they're the trade-offs, yeah, between conservative. Conservative, you get in at a worse price, but increase the probability. An aggressive trade, you get in at a better price, and arguably the probability of the trade is less because you haven't waited for the confirmation of trend or structure break. And guys, I hope that helps. And if you've enjoyed the vid, please come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now. Also smash the notification button, guys, so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if I could ask everyone to please smash the like button as well. It helps support the channel. Thank you very much, guys. See you next time.